Guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate y'all dialing in, giving me a little bit of your time, because that's exactly what you're doing, giving me a little bit of your time. Today we got a 2016 Dodge Journey. What we get ready to do here is replace the battery in the Journey. Guys, a lot of you guys don't know how to do this, so I'm going to make a short video on how to do this, okay? You see these clips here. Make sure the car's in park. You want to remove this access door is what they call it. You got a clip here. That's one there. And you got this panel here. See what I'm saying? You take this half off. You take that half off right there. And that's going to allow you to get to the battery. And then from that point on, you're going to have to finesse it a little bit, to get it off. But they don't do it at the auto parts stores, and that's the reason why. Because it can take 30 minutes to put one in there. And it probably could take even longer for somebody that don't even know how to do it. But the first thing I do is I get the vehicle up, and I take the tire, and I turn it all the way towards me, the outside. And once you get that tire turned, you should have enough room. See how I got the tire turned? I should have enough room to go ahead and get it up in there and get it done, okay? So, replacing the battery, as you can see down there in that valley. They won't do it at the auto parts store if you have any kind of vehicle that's designed with the battery in the back seat, in the trunk, or under the fender wall. They won't change it. You have to come see somebody like me, or you gotta give me some thumbs up and share this video. So hang on. Stay tuned for that. And as soon as Steve-O get the clip out, we'll come back online and show you guys how to do it. All right. Okay, guys. Picking up where I left off at, man. I'll edit some of this bad stuff out. But all right, Steve-O got the cover off, and you can see the battery now. See the battery up in there? So what you got to do is finesse those lines off right there. It's not a big battery. But once he take the battery posters off of the vehicle, he can slide the battery out this way here. He can slide it out that way there, man, and then go back in the same process. It's not too complicated, but it's a pretty tough job for somebody that don't know what the hell they doing. They can mess something up easily. All right, guys, if you feel that this video was helpful, 2016 Dodge Journey, replacing the battery with the man himself, Steve-O. Some of them and some of them.